Hi everybody and welcome to your daily reading for Saturday, May 6th, or whenever you happen to find this. I'm going to use the Lenormand deck today for our reading. We just had the lunar eclipse happening in tropical Scorpio or sidereal Libra. So some pretty heavy energies. I had a pick a card too if you haven't checked that out yet and you'd like to. Okay, underneath we have the sun, number 31. Makes everything brighter, right? And then it's ruled by the Ace of Coins there, Ace of Pentacles. Nice monetary gift coming to us, the Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. There's number 1 there on the card. Delivering a gift or a message. The Polar Bear, number 15. Number 38, the Bridge. 42, the Compass. And 16, the Star. Alright, so 1 and 15 is 16, so we have like two 16s here. I think of the Tower card. 2 towers could bring some change, some positive change into your life. With the rainbow and the sun showing up, we also have the bridges. It's connecting both sides of these readings. It looks balanced to me. We just had the lunar eclipse in Libra in sidereal astrology. We also have the polar bear here. It's like the protective energy. So whatever it is, whatever blessing you are receiving today, it is protected. There's no danger of it being taken away from you. It might change your stars, change the direction you're going. Positively lighting the way there. 6 of Cups, 6 of Hearts down here. That's the card of Scorpio as well. I'm looking at the north point of this compass. It's between Sagittarius and Capricorn. And this looks like a compass as well. So it's like you're, again, changing navigation. We used to navigate by the stars. Where's the sun? And we have the sun here, right? The sun's at the center of this compass, pointing north. So I guess if you were to compare it to this card, it would be Sagittarius, which is the 9th house, long distance travel. And here we have like a horse traveling over a rainbow. Okay. So I'm going to take a look at your alchemy cards for today. But with the bridge there too, that's indicative of travel as well. Let's take a look and see what I pulled out here. Darkening, number 12. Very similar color scheme to these bridges. Kind of a rust, brown, red, black. Melanosis, that's the second phase, or no, the first phase of alchemy. It starts with the dark to white, yellow, and red. Let's take a look at what the book says about it. There we go. Okay, the title is Depth, Readiness, and Churning. In alchemy, darkness is an achievement. It indicates the material has been through a significant occurrence, sometimes called an initiatory experience, that has brought it into a state of readiness for the work. The darkness prepares us. We've moved beyond the small talk and chit-chat of the upper world and descended into the psychic layers of the soul. We admit who we are fully and bravely, and thus open ourselves to the process of transformation. When this card appears, it's not necessary to delve into what brought you here, the initiation, likely by fire, that has caused the embers to char. Rather, it's time to heal. The darkness is the remedy. Closing your eyes is a voluntary expression of darkening. By practicing it daily, we drop into the depths and surrender. As the alchemist's eyes adjust, transformation begins. So this is number 12. Number 13 is typically the death card in tarot, but the symbol of the crow here is often a sign of death. So it's we just had the lunar eclipse in Scorpio, which is the death card, transformation, the snake there lying at the base of our chakras, the Kundalini energy preparing to rise. So we start from the bottom and build our way up. But also we've outgrown this snake skin. It's time to expand and grow upward. Even the beautiful lotus flower grows from the murkiest of waters. It's dark and muddy, and it has to push through a lot in order to get to the surface where the sun is. But then when it blooms, it's a beautiful flower. On the side of this notes, it says this card is linked to Factico, and to Pluto. If these cards appear together, it's a sure sign that things are running bleak. Time to lighten the mood and get into the sun. Wasn't that amazing that the sun started this reading here, right? But things are changing is the idea, with Pluto being there, ruler of the death card in the Scorpio sign, and we just had that lunar eclipse there. So draw with charcoal or India ink. Let the depth of the pigment move you and follow its lead. The only requirement is that you allow the material to express itself. So we have this bright, sunny future that you're being pushed towards, perhaps your North Node, and being protected and guided on your journey there with the bear showing up. But if you have yet to go through this dark night of the soul, or maybe you just finished completing that cycle, you're coming out of it, this is the direction you're headed, towards the sun. I said it's time, maybe you're spending too much time inside. It's as simple as that. It's time to get some vitamin D. Okay, let me see what the angel cards can add for us. Power. So it's like a king, you know, the king's coronation's today, which is funny. So we have the scepter and the orb and the crown. Becoming in power. Pluto is power. Beauty. So yeah, the process is beautiful. Awakening. Yep. Rising with the sun. The energy inside of you awakening. Willingness. Being willing to do the work to get to your destination. And patience. Yeah, it requires patience. Things don't happen immediately or instantly to where you're going. But we keep the faith and power through until we reach our goal. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this reading for today. Have a beautiful Saturday. We'll talk to you later. Bye.